Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. Yeah, it seems like ADA completed this 5-wave advance from the June last year lows, and this could be in the bullish interpretation a wave 1, and this now a wave 2 pullback, but of course below 29 cents there isn't anything bullish left. We can take a glance at that's the 78.6 retracement. Below that level it's just too deep even for a wave 2 after a diagonal. So it might be worth just reminding ourselves of the ADA just long-term chart and where things could be going. Because as I mentioned before, this could simply be just a B wave rally here that's unfolding, okay? So A wave down, B wave rally, and then a C wave down could still send us into this support region, yeah? So that is the bearish count. As a channel member, you have access to the long-term charts. You can see it actually reacted to the area between the 38.2 and 50% fib levels. A weak B wave, but not invalid. It is a possible flat structure. Yeah, it is a possible flat structure. Can't be ignored, but it's a bullish market, so it's not what I'm leaning to. But then the support area is clear. Okay, so below 29 cents, this is where the count distinguishes between the two. But then again, if this really is the C wave in yellow B, it went a little larger than normally you would expect a C wave to be, and which is one of the reasons why I'm leaning towards the more bullish interpretation, because it did rally to even the 200% extension, which is uncommon for a C wave. Not unheard of, but uncommon. So the yellow count is an alternative, but it is a count we talked about before, but nothing I would focus on as long as we're holding support. But obviously it is an altcoin. Obviously I highlighted to you that the top could have been in here in wave 5 of 1. Yeah, I preferred one more extension, but as always, the largest probability element of the rally was done. And yeah, it just broke support. It might have done the additional high had the altcoins not suffered that dramatic sell-off. So now the idea would be that this is wave 2. Okay, and we could rally in a third wave basically next. But we need to hold support. And on the shorter time frame count or chart, you see that this is this wave 2, in which I'm tracking an ABC structure to the downside. The thing is, it's quite scary. That's what a wave 2 normally is. We haven't seen such a wave 2 in a long time, because most wave 2s have been ending diagonals also last year. This year is a proper impulse. I mean, not the wave 2, but the C wave in the wave 2 appears to be an impulse. And it appears that, yeah, we are still sort of in it, okay, but we could be in the late stages of this wave 2, wave C of 2. Don't have a very reliable and clear view of what the microstructure here really is. My interpretation is that we are in the late stages of the C wave of wave 2. This is the support area. 42 cents is next support. Didn't break it yet. Then 36 cents is the golden ratio level. I mean, ideally it stays above one of these. If it really has to be, the 29 cent level is there still to offer support if the price needs it. But a break below 29 cents, yeah, I mean, that would be not clearly bullish anymore. Even now, I mean, there is no low in place until we have a first initial break above resistance in 5 waves at least, and then followed by a 3-wave pullback. Okay, now as I said, oftentimes a wave 2 tends to end in the region of a wave 4 of 1 lesser degree. We are still in that price region around 46 cents, 44 cents, 44. So it might finish in this region. Doesn't mean it has to finish exactly there, right? It's just a guideline. We have enough waves down to count the move down complete. Let me see. A wave, B wave, and then 1, 2. The thing is, it's like on many other charts as well. It's possible it gives us one more low. Just when we have these rapid sell-offs, it's sometimes not entirely clear if the third, if all the are some of these subwaves hidden in some of these strong candles. So until we get a break above resistance, I keep the door open for one more low. Because then we could say that looking at just the microstructure, this was a 1, this was a 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we can actually add the resistance area as well to the chart for the wave 4. Make sure I grab the low. So it's 50 cents. I mean, that's sort of what my view is, you know, if as long as it stays below 50 cents, one more low cannot be ruled out. I mean, even above it, I can't rule it out, but probabilities for one more low will reduce if we get a break above 50 cents, and then better would be a break above 62.3 cents, of course, yeah? And if one more low happens, we might test 36 or 29 cents. That's my update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.